right, we're at the custom house. First cut of the year. It's the backyard. This is the front yard. The front yard higher than the backyard. But we about to get it cut. Get it all down to the same height. Can't stop team, baby. We'll come back once we get done, show you everything. And then we'll be headed to your house for the 2024 season. And this right here is just light work. This is the easy stuff a toddler can do. We can do it all, baby. It's the Can't Stop team. All right, at the property, this is our first cut for the 2024 year. Grass high. Let's walk back in and see what the backyard looks like. Front height in the back, but no matter, we finna cut it out. Need to get some work done, give us a call, 770-899-7432. All right, all cut. I'm hungry now. Time to go get a smoothie. After the smoothie, an hour later, go get some solid food. And then after that, we'll be headed to your property next. Everything is all done. It's the Can't Stop team, baby. 770-899-7432.